Well, guys, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, guys, good afternoon, guys, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. This is the Mr. K's Club Travel TV, guys, Club Travel TV, Mr. K's Club Travel TV. We are actually in Qatar. This is the apartment where I'm booked in. Apartment there where I'm booked in. This is Mr. K's Club Travel TV. This is now Bangkok. Sorry, no. Sorry, this is not Bangkok. This is Qatar, guys. All right, yeah. This is Qatar, guys. We're in Qatar. This is the main road. As you can see, people are coming from work. They are going back to. That 10 minutes is back again today, back. It's back. All right, this is now Qatar, Doha.
You complaining?
No, I complained yesterday about the 10 minutes thing. This is the sunset, guys. Sunset, as you can see there. The cars are actually coming. You can see there. People are coming from work. People are coming from work. This is the CBD. And we are actually at the edge of CBD. These are the buildings, guys. These are their buildings, right? These are their buildings. These are their buildings. Right? I'm just, on the balcony, right? And you can see there, the cars. These guys are now going back home. I think they are coming from work, but I believe, and I know for a fact that in Qatar, the people of Qatar don't work, guys. They don't work. People of Qatar don't work, guys. These are their buildings, right? See, they've got such a beautiful building there. Nice building there, as well as that one. It's a nice building as well. All right, nice building as well. There's another one there, nice building there. As you can see, the sunset there, guys. So, yeah, all right. I just zoomed it a bit so you guys can see. All right, as you can see here. Let me actually go inside the room so you can see the apartment where I am. All right, so here, guys, is the apartment, all right? The apartment, that's my wife. Yeah, boo.
Say it again, honey.
My wife.
Who am I?
My wife.
Yo.
Wife.
Super wife.
My super wife. Right, so guys, yeah, this is the apartment, right? The apartment where we are actually booked in. This is the apartment, guys. You can see here, right? This is the apartment, right? Such a beautiful apartment. Beautiful apartment, as you can see here. They've got everything here. Such a beautiful place. And you can see here, it's called Mirage, downtown in Doha, in Qatar. Mirage downtown. And here is the kitchen. Their kitchen, guys. Their kitchen. As you can see there, there's their kitchen. There's their kitchen. You can see there's their kitchen. You can see it's such a beautiful place. When you're sitting out here, you've got a nice view. My wife is cooking. Oh, I can hear the smell of a chicken. Right. So you can see here, they've got a fridge. They've done such a nice decorations there of the fridge and so forth. When you open here, you can see there. The fridge is empty because we'll be checking out soon. So we don't like keeping food in the fridge because of, we don't eat too much. Understand? So this is the another side. So you can see here. This is a small table where you can sit with your family and have a meal and have a quality time together with your family. And here they've got a is the entrance, right? The entrance. So here, guys, it's a small toilet, right? So when you are just close to the kitchen, when you are actually by the kitchen, when you are eating, you can always come and sit here and wash your hands here and after eating, right? So that's how it is, all right? So such a beautiful place, beautiful. And they've got a small toilet there, right? And what I like about this place is the fact that they've got their own heater. You know, each and every bathroom has got its own water heater. You know, as you can see there, water heater, right? Water heater. You can make it off and on, right? So, and they've got an air conditioner there. We put it on 25 degrees because it's hot in here, right? As you come along, you can see they've got some nice decorations as well. Nice deco. Hey, I'm not sure why these things are sitting like this. Supposed to sit nice, man. You know, sit nice. You know, sit nice, man. Nice, man. Nice, man. Ah, yeah, like that. Supposed to be like that, right? Is it straight, guys? Yeah, it is straight. But unless if my eyes I can't see properly, but it is straight. This is the passage, right? And on the passage here, you see here, when you open here, you'll see there is a washing. It's actually there's a where's the light here? Is there a light here? Yeah, there's a light here also. There's a washing machine, so you can do your washing as well. That's a very nice place. You know, you bought your thing. Don't leave it, man. Yeah, all right. So here you've got such a nice, you know, also nice place. You know, they've got some mirrors. You know, can have a nice. You can look at yourself. Oh, here is an ironing board, an ironing section. Yeah, you can put your ironing board there. My wife put an ironing board outside, so it's an ironing section there, right? And here's another bathroom. Nice place to be, you know, nice place to be, guys. Nice place to be, nice place to be. You know, the toilet is very good. You know, you can always flush, you know, nicely, you know. So if you go out of here, guys, you see the doors. I love their doors, guys. I love their doors. I love their doors. If you go out of here, you go into the main bedroom, right? Main bedroom, you'll see here, you have their wardrobes. This is their wardrobes, guys. Wardrobes. This is how their wardrobes looks like. You can see there. They've got some mirrors as well. Nice place, you know. You can also hear there's a main bathroom. The main bathroom is very beautiful. Beautiful. All right, you can see. Got everything in a small toilet there for, you know, wiping your bums. You can sit on the, if you eat chili too much, you can sit there, you know, wipe your bums, wash your bums. You see, nice. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, very nice. Wash your bums. You understand? Very nice. Such a beautiful place, guys. Beautiful place. I'm telling you. You know, sometimes they always say travel. Travel, guys. Travel, guys. Such a beautiful place. You know, so forth. You can see as I'm going out, I'm heading out. These are wardrobes. You know, they've got such a nice varnish. And here, when you enter here, you enter in the main bedroom. This is the main bedroom. The main bedroom. Main bedroom. Main bedroom. All right. Main bedroom. So you enter. You can see here, right? This is the main bedroom. You know, such a nice place, guys. Nice place. Nice place. Guys, nice place. Nice bedroom, right? Nice bedroom, right? Nice bedroom. So guys, and you guys, can you see Mr. K's Travel Club? Guys, listen to me. This is a new channel, right? You see there, I've got 2 subscribers. 2 subscribers. Guys, only 2 subscribers. Please subscribe. Subscribe, guys, and like the video. Very important, right? So we can get to have, you know, grow the channel together, all right? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I'll keep on giving you more content, right? As time goes on, right? Nice content as time goes on, right? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. And have a lovely, lovely, lovely evening, right? Then we'll talk again, guys. Thank you so much. We love you. We love you so much. Mr. K's Club Travel TV loves you guys. We love you guys as always. We'll keep you posted as time goes and so forth. All right, guys? Have a lovely evening. Lovely evening. And actually, have a lovely day. Have a lovely day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. All right. and we'll talk again.